Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to change screen timeout settings in Windows 11. First thing first, open the Start menu and click on the Settings option. In the left sidebar, select System, then click Power and Battery. Now scroll down and click on Screen and Sleep. Then adjust the times under On battery power, turn off any screen after, or when plugged in, turn off my screen after. Set these to your preferred timeout duration. You have 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or never. And if you want to more control, use the control panel method. Just open the control panel, go to power options, change plan settings, and put the computer to sleep settings, then choose when. If your PC looks too fast even after changing the settings, check the screensaver timeout. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.